Bangladesh is a South Asian country located on the Bay of Bengal, situated in the northeastern part of the Indian subcontinent. It is bordered by India to the west, north, and east, with a small border with Myanmar, Burma, to the southeast. To the south, it has a coastline along the Bay of Bengal. Dhaka is the capital and largest city of Bangladesh. Other major cities include Chittagong, Chattogram, Khulna, Rajshahi, Sylhet, and Barisal. Bangladesh had a population of over 166 million people, making it one of the most densely populated countries in the world. Bengali, Bangla, is the official language of Bangladesh and is widely spoken throughout the country. The majority of the population in Bangladesh practices Islam, with a significant Hindu minority and smaller communities of Buddhists and Christians. Bangladesh has a rich and complex history. It was part of ancient empires, including the Maurya and Gupta empires. In 1947, when British India gained independence, the region that is now Bangladesh became East Pakistan as part of Pakistan. However, tensions between East and West Pakistan led to a war of independence in 1971, resulting in the creation of the independent state of Bangladesh. Bangladesh has a mixed economy, with agriculture, manufacturing, and services sectors. The textile and garment industry is a significant contributor to the country's economy and exports. The country is famous for its handwoven textiles, including saris. Remittances from Bangladeshi expatriates also play a crucial role in the economy. Bangladesh has a rich cultural heritage, with influences from Hindu, Buddhist, and Islamic traditions. Traditional music, dance, and art are an integral part of Bangladeshi culture. Historical sites like the ancient Buddhist Vihara at Paharpur and the 60-pillar mosque in Bagharhat attract tourists interested in history and architecture. Bangladesh faces several challenges, including overpopulation, poverty, and vulnerability to natural disasters such as cyclones and floods. The country has made significant progress in areas like healthcare and education, but there is still work to be done to improve living standards. Bangladesh is home to the Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest in the world. It's also where the Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Meghna rivers meet to form the largest river delta on Earth. The Sundarbans is not only known for its unique ecosystem but also as the habitat of the Bengal tiger. It's one of the last strongholds for this endangered species. The national flower of Bangladesh is the water lily, known locally as shapla. Bangladeshi cuisine is diverse and includes dishes like biryani, hilsa fish curry, pita, rice cakes, and sweets like rosagala and sandesh. It's known for its use of spices and aromatic flavors. Bangladesh is prone to seasonal monsoon rains, which can lead to flooding in many parts of the country. The annual monsoon is essential for agriculture but can also bring destructive floods. Festivals like Durga Puja, Eid al-Fitr, and Poila Boisak, Bengali New Year, are celebrated with great enthusiasm and are an integral part of the country's culture. Much of Bangladesh's population lives in rural areas, and the countryside is characterized by lush green landscapes, rice paddies, and traditional farming practices. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Your feedback is valuable to us, and it helps our channel grow.